Sensors are the eyes of the factory, but many targets can be challenging for traditional sensors to see, and complex applications often require many different sensors to complete a task. How much downtime could you avoid if a single sensor could handle your most challenging requirements and even let you know when it needs maintenance? Solve more applications with greater reliability and fewer devices with smart sensors from Banner Engineering. Smart laser distance sensors with dual mode measure not just distance but also light intensity. This means the sensor can detect changes in both distance and surface contrast. This allows users to inspect multiple conditions with a single device, whether an object is present, whether multiple objects are stacked, and whether an object is oriented correctly. Dual mode also allows smart sensors to detect targets that other sensors can't, including clear objects, low contrast applications, and very dark objects, all with one very powerful device. IO-Link communication adds even more advanced capabilities. Smart sensors with IO-Link let you remotely access sensor readings and see how well the sensor is doing. With remote monitoring and real-time diagnostics, operators can be alerted in advance that a sensor needs cleaning before it fails. Users can also track sensor runtime to predict when maintenance will be needed and avoid unplanned downtime. Solve more applications, save inventory costs, and help prevent unplanned downtime with Banner's smart sensor solutions.
How often does your production get interrupted because assembly stations run out of parts? Does your production line sometimes slow down until a forklift arrives to remove completed pallets? Do your line workers need to leave their workstations to get a technician or supervisor when a problem arises? Improve communication and maintain a steady workflow with Banner's wireless call for parts, service, or pickup solution. When your workers need parts or assistance, they'll press their K70 wireless touch button. An alert goes out to all the forklift drivers or supervisors, regardless of where they are. The driver who can get the parts the fastest will use their Q120 6-button pendant box to alert the assembly worker that their request is being fulfilled. All of this wireless communication is organized by the DXM100 controller. And because it's wireless, it doesn't matter where the forklifts are or whether the assembly line gets reconfigured. Use Banner's wireless call for parts system to connect up to 18 stations to up to 6 different forklifts and supervisors. Track assembly and worker performance. See when requests are made, how often, and how long it takes to fulfill the request. Use your data to maximize your facility's productivity and efficiency. End downtime by making sure the right parts are in the right place with Banner's wireless call for parts solution. The future of industrial monitoring is made by Banner. More sensors, more solutions. Learn more at bannerengineering.com. A variety of machines keep modern factories producing goods around the clock. How much lost production would you suffer if one of your machines failed unexpectedly? Stay a step ahead of your machines by continuously monitoring them with Banner's wireless vibration monitoring and predictive maintenance solutions. Because they are wireless, it doesn't matter how difficult it is to get to your machines. With battery-powered nodes and wireless connectivity, you will know the condition of your machines and be able to address potential issues, no matter where they are located. Banner's vibration monitoring solutions range from a simple check engine light of critical vibration parameters to collecting data on a variety of vibration characteristics so that an even more in-depth analysis can be performed on the machines being monitored. With the QM42VT1 vibration sensor, combined with a wireless node and a DXM100 wireless controller running our proprietary machine learning algorithm, it will analyze and learn from your machine's vibration level. It can even tell when your machine is running or not. It will then establish the vibration baseline of the machine and automatically set warning and alarm thresholds. It will alert you when your machine begins acting strange, so you can schedule maintenance when it has the smallest impact on production. Monitor your machines, detect problems early, and avoid costly unplanned downtime with Banner's wireless vibration monitoring and predictive maintenance solutions. The future of industrial monitoring is made by Banner. More sensors, more solutions. Learn more at bannerengineering.com.
Just like to explain a little bit about some of the system capabilities of Turk. One of the things that we've done is to put a system together which implements the Japanese poker yoke principle, which basically means trying to avoid errors, and that's called pick to light. The idea is that people have to look into a shelving system where they need to pick up the parts for a manufacturing process. And the idea is that they pick it by light. That means we get a light, lights up, tells us where we need to pick something out. So here I take one of the colored pencils. Anybody wants one, come by. Say that we've picked it, and then we've finished the process for that one part. Then we go to the next one, take the next part out. The idea is to avoid making errors, to increase quality and to increase the speed of production, to make life easier for the whole production capabilities. And Turk is capable of delivering this to you all out of one stop shopping.